Hi, my name is Frank Barrett Mills, the Executive Chef for a number of the brands here at the MIC. Look forward to working with you. The Turbo Chef oven is great for many uses, especially for smaller restaurants that don't have the big kitchen in the back. And one example of how great it is Eggs Benedict. Eggs Benedict usually requires a poaching pan, something to brown an English muffin, something to finish the Canadian bacon, and something to warm the hollandaise. I can do it all in this oven in about a minute. And the way it's done is simple, and let me show you how. About an ounce of water in the dish, egg in. Canadian bacon on the side, English muffin on the side, hollandaise in another one of these. Into the oven, close the door, and with a program, a minute later, I'll have a poached egg, I'll have a lightly browned Canadian bacon, I'll have a dark brown English muffin, and my hollandaise will be at 160 degrees plus. In a little over a minute, I can do what a regular restaurant can do with 4 pieces of equipment. This is a real time saver and a real dollar saver. The Turbo Chef oven.